Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss GK, that is general knowledge, from chapter 11 till 20 from your knowledge quest book. I hope and believe that you people are provided with this book, so kindly open page number 15, that is the Mughals, okay, and we'll discuss the question answers. Now in this chapter, the Mughals, basically you have been understood that Mughals, that history, Indian history is divided into three parts, that is ancient, medieval and modern history. Okay, so this Mughal era comes in the medieval history. Okay, that is the medieval Indian history. You know the Mughals, understood? Mughals kaun the? Understood? They were of the Turkish origin, most probably those who came to India and started their huge rule, understood? So the first one out here is discussed, that is he was the founder of the Mughal dynasty, understood? He started out as a ruler of Kabul and then he came back to India, it is Babur. Number two, he had to fight many wars against the wily Afghan Sher Shah Suri. Who was he? He was Humayun. Okay, then number three is the famous ruler, that is Akbar. You know that Akbar, he had a huge he also fought at the second battle of Panipat and he defeated the Hindu king Hemu. Clear? Then that is Akbar. Number fourth we have Jahangir. Okay, then after him the famous Shah Jahan, who built the Taj Mahal on the memory of his beloved wife, that is Mumtaz. Okay, then we have the last one is Aurangzeb. After that what happened was that the empire started to cease off, understood? Empire वो खराब हो गया और वो धीरे धीरे बंद हो गया. Okay, and then a new empire was set up and the last was Aurangzeb. Clear, students? Now coming to chapter number 12, that is page number 16. The two famous Buddhist sites, Sarnath and Lumbini, I have written. You can write anything, Bodh Gaya or anything which you want, understood, where the Buddha was born. Those sites कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. So Sarnath and Lumbini. Okay. Number two, the four dhamas or the Hindu places, holy places for Hindus in India. चार धाम बोलते हैं जिसे. तो बद्रीनाथ नॉर्थ में, understood? So कैसे होता है? You know the directions, the cardinal points. You know the cardinal points, north, south, east and west. So north में क्या है? Understood? North मतलब ऊपर दिल्ली तरफ, understood? जम्मू कश्मीर, north दिल्ली में, वहाँ पे बद्रीनाथ. और ठीक नीचे साउथ इंडिया में, अंडरस्टूड, तमिलनाडु साइड में, वहाँ पे क्या है? वी हैव द रामेश्वरम. देन ईस्ट हमारा बंगाल जो कि ईस्ट में है. ओके, वहाँ पे जगन्नाथ है. कुछ दिन पहले हुआ था रथ यात्रा. सो जगन्नाथ इज ऑल्सो अ धाम. एंड द फोर्थ वन, दैट इज द चार धाम का चौथा वाला लास्ट है, वो है आपका द्वारका. ठीक है ना? दिस वाज द फोर धामस. नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू इंपॉर्टेंट एंशिएंट यूनिवर्सिटीज. एक है तक्षशिला, अदर वन इज द नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज इन बिहार. ओके, दो एंशिएंट यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं इंडिया के. नंबर फोर is Hindustani vocal and the classic dance. These are the two. The name of the person दिया गया, वो name देख करके you have to understand that कौन सा person किस में है. ठीक है? Which famous saint is believed to have introduced Christianity to India? Who brought Christianity to India? Which saint? तो बोलोगे Saint Thomas. Okay, Saint Thomas. Number 6 is Kanyakumari. It is also known as the Land's End. ठीक है, एकदम साउथ इंडिया के एकदम टिप में, कॉर्नर में, आप नीचे देखोगे मैप का जो कॉनिकल ऐसा है, एकदम टिप में नीचे, दैट इज द प्लेस, दैट इज कन्याकुमारी. अंडरस्टूड? सो इट इज सेड नो ऑलवेज कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी. सो इट इज द नॉर्दर्न टिप में कश्मीर है और ठीक नीचे यहाँ पे साउथ के लास्ट टिप में कन्याकुमारी है. ओके, इट इज द लैंड्स एंड भी बोला जाता है इसे. नंबर 7 यू हैव हाउ मेनी लैंग्वेजेस आर प्रिंटेड ऑन 100 रुपी नोट. कितने लैंग्वेजेस लिखे रहते हैं वो छोटे छोटे करके? 17 लैंग्वेजेस, 17. Okay, which is also known as Silicon Valley. टेक्नोलॉजिकल साइंटिफिक रिसर्च का एक ही मात्र जगह इंडिया में है, दैट इज बेंगलुरु. ओके, नंबर 9 वी हैव इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम जो होता है IST. एक होता है GMT, ओके, ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन टाइम, अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन वी हैव द IST, इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम, दैट पासेस फ्रॉम विच प्लेस? दैट पासेस फ्रॉम इलाहाबाद. ओके, नाउ इट इज नोन एज प्रयागराज. ठीक है. Number 10, the only Indian river known by a male name. बाकी सब it is for the female name, but only one for the male name, that is Brahmaputra. Clear? Number 11 we have Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. These are the tributaries of which river? Indus river. and a famous civilization that flourished out here. Which civilization was there? Indus Valley civilization, or it is also known as the Harappan civilization. Okay, जो कि इस इंडस के सामने ही फ्लरिश हुआ था. उसके बाद आते हैं नंबर 12 में, दैट इज द गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, जहां से गंगा रिवर स्टार्ट होता है. सो आंसर विल बी गंगोत्री. हु सेड फ्रीडम इज माय बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट? हु सेड दिस? बाल गंगाधर तिलक. नंबर 14, द ओनली इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर हु डिड नॉट फेस द पार्लियामेंट, कौन है? चौधरी चरण सिंह, इनका पूरा नाम है. ठीक है, तो चरण सिंह लिखा है. नंबर 15, विच म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैन बी सीन इन द हैंड्स ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा? कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट रहता है शिवा के हाथ में? डमरू. अंडरस्टूड, सो यू कैन राइट दैट, डमरू. क्लियर. नंबर 17, द लाहौरी गेट इज द मेन एंट्रेंस टू विच फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट? लाहौरी गेट जो है वो कौन से फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट का एंट्रेंस गेट है? लाहौरी गेट. तो दैट इज द रेड फोर्ट. ठीक है, लाल किला. नंबर 18 इज द एम्बलम ऑन द नेशनल फ्लैग. हमारा जो नेशनल फ्लैग में है उसे क्या बोला जाता है? अशोक चक्र. अंडरस्टूड, सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द चरखा. अशोक चक्र को चरखा भी बोला जाता है. फाइन. चैप्टर नंबर 13 में आते हैं, पेज नंबर 17. सो हमारा 12 हो गया. 13 में आ जाओ. 11 12 कंप्लीट. 13 में आ जाइए. YMCA फुल फॉर्म क्या है? यंग मेंस क्रिश्चियन एसोसिएशन. नंबर 2 इज विच बुक ऑफ सलमान रुश्दी? ही इज अ फेमस राइटर. उसका कौन सा बुक मुस्लिम कंट्रीज में बैन कर दिया गया और इंडिया में भी? दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द बुक इज द Satanic Verses. Satan means Satan. Understood? So it is Satanic Verses which is banned to get published and to distributed in India. सर्कुलेशन से मना कर दिया गया गवर्नमेंट से. 3 is the where is the Sea of Tranquility? Answer is on the moon. Number 4 will be which gas is responsible for greenhouse effect? Answer will be CO2, carbon dioxide. 5th one is रंगभूमि के author कौन है? Who is the author of रंगभूमि? प्रेमचंद, मुंशी प्रेमचंद. Number 6 is MBBS का full form क्या है? Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Number 7, who gave the Kohinoor diamond to its name? Answer will be Nadir Shah. What term is used for extracting the poison of a snake? Milking. Number 9 is Hudson Bay कहाँ है? Canada. Answer is Canada. Number 10 will be Dalal Street. It is a famous Mumbai Stock Exchange. Number 11 will be mushroom. Number 12 will be pancreas, which secretes which enzyme? That is insulin. ठीक है, pancreas से secrete होता है. Number 13 will be your who translated the Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali into English? Answer is also Rabindranath Tagore. ठीक है. Next, number 14 is which first ashram founded by Gandhiji was not Sabarmati but in South Africa? What was its name? It is Phoenix Farm. The spelling is Phoenix, pronunciation. Phoenix नहीं है, Phoenix है. Okay. Now 15 will be status of Lord Shiva. That is in Bengaluru. Tallest statue. Statue होगा. Okay. It is statue of Lord Shiva, which is where? Which is in Bengaluru. Clear? Next. Number 16 will be Jammu and Kashmir. Wular Lake is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Number 17 is Bengal. Anand Bazar Patrika. Which language publish हुआ था? This thing. Answer is Bengali. Number 18 is in which place the USA in the Grand Canyon situated? Arizona. Number 19 is Sirius. Number 20 is बांग्लादेश. सार्क के मेंबर कंट्रीज के नाम पूछे हैं, आंसर होगा बांग्लादेश, भूटान, इंडिया, मालदीव्स, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान एंड श्रीलंका. Number 21, the answer is Kathakali, which can be performed by men also. It is a classical dance, can be performed by men also. Number 22 is Fernando Alonso, the youngest Formula 1 world champion. Number 13, the last question, 23, which Indian city is also referred as Tata Nagar? Answer is Jamshedpur. Understood? So with this we come to end of chapter number 13, that is quiz time. Now chapter number 14, page number 18. It is all about experimentation, so you can go through this, understood this page, and you can see that what are plants and which plant can be used for health, understood, and which plant is used for medicinal purposes. So kindly look through the chapter, and here different these things are given, which you can see plants are given. Okay, so each plant is useful for which kind of medicinal properties. Okay, so you have to go through a reading, understood, and mark the points. MCQs can come from here. Okay, now 14, coming to chapter number 15. Okay, cork is the light thick elastic material used as a stopper. देखा ना वो कौन सी चीज से बनता है? होम्योपैथिक दवाई में कॉक लगाते थे पहले. कॉर्क यू हैव सीन नो, जो बॉटल में सपोज इट इज अ बॉटल. Okay, just suppose it is a bottle. Understood? Now what happened was that there was a kind of this thing which was put. Understood? रोकने के लिए. So it is known as a cork. Okay, it is known as a cork. Now this cork was made from which light elastic material, from which tree? That is oak. Number 2 will be CHICLE, chicle. Okay, so it is obtained from latex of which tree? That is chicle tree. Okay, next number 3 will be leaf oil of which tree is in making soaps. Soaps, disinfectants, कौन से ट्री के से बनाया जाता है? That is eucalyptus. Number 14 will be tulsi, that is also known as basil, and it is referred to a Indian god. Tulsi is also referred to as Indian deity, no? Tulsi Devi जिसे कहते हैं. Number 15 is raspberries, strawberries, apples, plums, peaches, cherries, apricots and almonds all belong to which flower family? Rose plant. Similarly, number 6 is laurel, number 7 is palm, number 8 is pine and fir, number 9 is wood apple, number 10 is wheat maple and sugar maple, number 11 is pitcher plant, Venus flytrap. These are the 2 carnivorous plants. That means they depend on the meat of other animals or the flesh of other animals. Understood? वो लोग photosynthesis से भी खाते हैं, but what happens is that वो लोग other plants, जैसे कभी कभी the plants they eat frogs also, and some plant they sit for their prey to come. So that kind of plants are also known as carnivorous plant. एक है आपका pitcher plant, दूसरा है आपका Venus flytrap. Number 12, the Amazon rainforest is also known as the lungs of, it is also known as Amazon को lungs of the earth बोला जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे इतने सारे trees हैं and all the trees are green, so वहाँ से ऑक्सीजन बहुत ज़्यादा प्यूरिफाई होके आता है अर्थ में, and that is why it is known as the lungs of the earth. 20% of fresh oxygen पूरा अर्थ का Amazon के forest से ही आता है. Understood? A wonderful thing to know. Number 13 is acorn. Acorn is the seed of oak tree. ठीक है, nut जैसा होता है. Number 14 is lotus. It is referred to Lord Buddha and symbolizes in Buddhism. And number 15 is a grove of which tree is quite closer to each other. That is a no. बहुत सारे trees इकट्ठा होते हैं ना, उसे grove बोला जाता है. GROVE. ठीक है. So chapter number 15 is completed. Now coming to chapter number 16, that is our green friend. Kindly take out page number 20 and check it. The first one you can see the pictures are given. The first one कौन सा picture identify करें कि कौन सा picture है? This is known as hibiscus. ठीक है, hibiscus का आंसर नंबर 6 में है. ठीक है, hibiscus को queen of tropics बोला जाता है. queen of tropics, tropical area जो है अर्थ का, वहीं पे hibiscus ज़्यादा पाया जाता है. You know the earth, suppose for example, let me rub it. Okay. So if this is the earth, okay, this is the equatorial region 0 degree, then out here tropic of Cancer, here tropic of Capricorn, ठीक है, tropic of Capricorn. This area is known as the tropical region. Understood? तो यहीं पे ज़्यादा एक फ्लावर पाया जाता है, that is known as hibiscus. ठीक है, एंड हिबिस्कस को क्या बोला जाता है? क्वीन ऑफ ट्रॉपिक्स, इसलिए इसे क्वीन ऑफ ट्रॉपिक्स बोला जाता है. ट्रॉपिक्स का सबसे सुंदर फ्लावर. ठीक है, सो पहला वाला आंसर विल बी अश्वगंधा. इट क्यूर्स मेनी डिजीजेस लाइक रियोमेटिज्म, लेप्रेसी, आर्थराइटिस, मेमोरी लॉस. ठीक है, अश्वगंधा. तो अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता है, पढ़ाई का कंसंट्रेशन अच्छा नहीं है, आप अश्वगंधा के गोली मिलता है हिमालय का, आप लेकर के खा सकते हैं. Number 2 is conifer. Okay, this is used for producing them flowers. Number 3 is teak. Teak is also known as sangwan. ठीक है, और इसका विंडोज, डोर्स ये सब बनते हैं. Number 4 is the national flower of Nepal. क्या है? You know that? Rhododendron. The spelling is rhododendron. You can check out in the net. It's a beautiful flower. Number 5 is where did the Ikebana flower arrangement originate? That is in Japan. Number 6 मैंने बता दिया, Queen of Tropics, hibiscus. Number 7 is salak. Number 8 is iris, called falls, and 3 upright petals are called standards. Number 9 is raspberry. Number 10 is Chinese gooseberry, that is also known as kiwi. ठीक है, so chapter number 16 completed. Coming to chapter number 17, out here you have the age of the dinosaurs. Okay, so you can see information again, it is given out here. So what is the information it look like? 65 million years ago, here is 136 million years ago, और सबसे पुराने 190 years ago. ऐसे डायनासोर्स इवैल्यूएट होते होते देखो साइज बड़ा है, फिर थोड़ा छोटा अलग हो जाता है. ठीक है, फिर ऐसे साइज और आगे जाते हैं तो अजीब हो जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे होते होते दे बिकम डॉर्मेंट. एंड देन इट इज़ बिलीव दैट कुछ ऐसा क्लाइमेटिक चेंज हुआ कि अर्थ में वोल्केनोस फटने लगे, टेम्परेचर चेंज हो गया, जिसके कारण व्हाट हैपेंड इज दैट ऑल द डायनासोर्स बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट. एंड आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एंड दे हैव फाउंड ह्यूज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ डायनासोर के बोन्स, और उसे पता चला कि डायनासोर्स भी थे. तो आप ये पढ़ लेना, इंटरेस्टिंग है. नंबर 18 में आते हैं. 17 डन। 18 में आए, पेज नंबर 22। The biggest animal that is said to have existed on earth lived in the ice age. कौन है? The answer is mammoth. M-A-M-M-O-T-H, mammoth. Number 2 is the animal belonged to the cat family and resembled big cats of today. That is saber-toothed tiger. Okay, you can see the picture, a ferocious picture is given out here, you can see that. Number 13 is Archaeopteryx. Okay, 30 million years ago this bird was like found on earth, spotted on earth 30 million years ago, 30 लाख साल पहले, 3 लाख साल पहले. Okay, now 30 million years ago. Now what happened was that, number 4, these are whale-like structures that are found in the coastal waters and rivers of South America, that is manatees. Number 5 is Kakapo. It is a brown parrot found in New Zealand. Next is Tyrannosaurus. Okay, that was the biggest carnivorous dinosaur which stood about 7 meters high and had sharp teeth. You can see that Tyrannosaurus. Okay, Tyrannosaurus. Number 7 is giant armadillo. And number 8 is dodo. That is, they killed humans and became extinct 1681 से extinct हो गए. Extinct birds हैं एक तरह के. Okay, dodo. Extinct means dormant हो गए. Coming to the chapter number 19. Okay, so here chapter number 19 you have. So the first one is golden hamster. Golden hamster is credited with like to breed very fast. बहुत जल्दी बच्चे इसके बनते हैं, तो आंसर है golden hamster. Next is number 2 you have the creature has largest carnivore on land. कौन है? Carnivore, you know, carnivore, omnivore and this thing, herbivore. So carnivore, the largest carnivore on land कौन है? Polar bear. Number 3 is sailfish. Number 4 is kiwi that lays the biggest egg in relation to its own size. खुद से भी बड़ा egg produce करती है, that is kiwi. Okay, the bird. Number 5th is blue whale, you know, 35 meters and weighs more than 30 elephants. 30 एलिफेंट से भी ज़्यादा उनका वेट होता है एक व्हेल का. Huge. Okay. Number 6 is giant squid. Number 7 is peregrine falcon. The name is unique. Peregrine falcon. Number 8 is shrew. This mammal with the shortest lifespan. बहुत कम जीता है, जल्दी मर जाता है. Shrew. Number 9 is Goliath beetle. Number 10 is marmot. Number 11 is bird-eating spider. Number 12 is alligator. Number 13 is seahorse, and number 14 is electric bell. So these were the answers. You can go through. Okay. Next, the last chapter out here, you have chapter number 20. Take out page number 24. The first one is thorny devil. Its body has large conical spines. Number 2 is the insect of Southwest Africa gets water from fog. That is darking beetle. Number 3 is fennec fox. Okay, that like it burrows during the day and preys on small. ये क्या खाता है fennec fox? Rodents. Rodents माना mice, चूहा जैसा. ठीक है, birds, insects and lizards at night. Number 4 है आपका gila monster. Okay, number 5 है Persian lynx. Number 6 is Adex. 7 is roadrunner and 8 is kangaroo rat. Okay, kangaroo rat can survive in the like this thing in the deserts, and its food is that thing, it can get water from the fats in food, and तो बहुत कम पानी पीता है. एनिमल को खाने के बाद उसके चर्बी में पानी रहता है, उसी पानी से काम चला रहता है. बहुत कम पानी चाहिए इसको जीने के लिए. क्या है एग्जाम्पल? आंसर इज kangaroo rat. This is all the desert animals. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this beautiful session. Students, I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Now all this informations will be given in the links. You can copy out from them, and it's GK. Just enjoy, don't stress yourself, just go through and enjoy the lessons. Okay, thank you.